Hello everyone, this is my project demonstration video for edX course CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. This is my final project. I have created an post sharing app called Universe. The users can share their posts or stories with the world using this app. So in this app, the user has to create an account to submit any post. Once the account is created, the account information is displayed to the user. Then the user can log in to this app. Once logged in, the user can view his profile. Here the user can also see any recent post submitted by him. To create a new post, the user has to go to Manage Post section and click on Create New Post. Here the user has the option to upload a file to create a post or write the post content in the web app to create the post. The user has to choose a title and click on Upload Your Post button to upload a post file. The user has to select a plain text or markdown document. So I am selecting a document here. The document name is displayed to the user, and the user can click the preview and post button to check a preview of the post. Once the user is satisfied, the post can be finalized. A link to the post has been displayed in the recent post section of the user. The post has also been published on the homepage of the website. The homepage also displays any recent posts submitted by any user. This is the post uploaded by the user. This is a post uploaded by the author John. The date and time are also shown here. A permanent link has also been provided here to view the post. Once the post is created, the user can now select any post he has created earlier to edit it. The post title or the post body can be edited here. This is the original post, and once the user clicks the Save Post button, the post has been saved on the database. Here the changes can be seen. The user can also type a post here. The new post has been displayed on the home page. The user now has option to edit his post. This post has images in it. If the user is not satisfied with any of his posts, then he can cancel his post from the post preview window. Once cancelled, the post will not be submitted. Once the user has done his work, he can log out of the website. This site is also compatible with mobile devices. So that's all for my final project. Thank you.